In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall and remove Adobe Acrobat from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, first of all, just go to your Windows search option, search over here setting. Here you can see settings, click on this. Then you need to go to app, then click on install apps. And here you need to search for Adobe Acrobat. So here you can see it is already showing Adobe Acrobat. So I'm just going to click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again, and there you can see it will start uninstalling Adobe Acrobat. It will take a few seconds to uninstall, and there you can see Adobe Acrobat is removed from here. But there is still some leftover file left in our software or system. So for it, we need to go to our folder and we'll go to our local disk C, and we need to go to our program files 86. So let's go inside, and here we need to look for Adobe folder over here, and we need to delete this. After that, again we'll go to our program files, then we'll look for Adobe folder and we'll delete this as well. Then let's go back, and this time we'll go to our user folder in the local disk C. Then we'll go to this user folder, and here you need to look for app data folder. Here you can see app data, and if you do not see app data folder, you just need to click on view, then click on show, and you need to select these hidden items. So let's go inside app data, and in the app data in the local folder you need to look for Adobe folder. Here you can see, so we need to delete this, then go back, and in the roaming folder again look for Adobe folder. Here you can see we also need to delete this folder as well. After that, we can close everything, and here what you can do is that we're going to search over here run in the search option and click on this run, and here we're going to say percentage temp percentage, then press enter. So it will open all the temporary folder in our system. So if you find Adobe folder over here, here you can see Adobe, just delete it from here, and Adobe Acrobat will be completely removed from your system. So this is how we can completely uninstall and remove Adobe Acrobat from your system. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.